If x, y, and z are positive integers, what is the remainder when 100x plus 10y plus z is divided by 7? So not much information in our prompt other than all of our variables are positive integers. One thing to keep in mind, if we are looking for the remainder, when something is divided by 7, we only have 7 options, right? Because the remainder can only be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, because this is our rule that our remainder always has to be less than our divisor. So we're trying to just narrow down this list to a single option. Statement 1, y is equal to 6. So now we have 100x plus 60 plus z. And so I might start by trying to approach this just by testing numbers. And so to start, I can say, let's just say x is 1 and z is 2. And then I can also look at what I get when x is 1 and z is 3. And so when x is 1, z is 2, I'll have 162. And then here when z is 3, I'm just increasing this number by 1. So I have 163. And I can tell this will be insufficient without even calculating what these remainders are, because I know these are two different remainders. Because after 162, whatever that remainder is, well, the next number that's going to have the same remainder is going to be 169. So if we're talking about when we're divided by 7, our remainder is going to repeat every 7 numbers. So whatever this remainder is, 163 will be something different. And that's enough to say insufficient. Statement 2 says z is equal to 3. So now we get 100x plus 10y plus 3. So let's do the same thing. And this time we'll say x is 1 and y is 2. And then x is 1 and y is 3. Let's see what this gives us. So when x is 1 and y is 2, we get 123 here. And when x is 1 and y is 3, we get 133. And again, this looks like it's going to be insufficient because these numbers are 10 apart from each other, which means we're going to have different remainders. So in other words, after 123, the next number to have the same remainder as 123 when we're dividing by 7 is going to be 130, and then 137 after that. And so B can be eliminated. And now looking at our statements together. And so we know y is 6 and z is 3. So we have 100x plus 63. And I might just test numbers again. And so so when x is 1, we have 163. And when x is 2, we have 263. And so these numbers are 100 apart, which is not a multiple of 7. Which I believe should be enough to tell us that therefore they'll have different remainders, and E is our answer. If we wanted to, though, we can calculate what these remainders are given we're on the last step or the last statement. So 163 divided by 7 gives what? So 7 goes into 16 twice. So we get 23 times 7 is 161. So 23 remainder 2. And then 263 divided by 7 gives us 37 remainder 4, it looks like. 37 times 7 is 9. Yeah. So this wasn't good enough here. You can see it's still insufficient. E.